Hey guys, so today I bought some Puddle lights here for my 2007 Chrysler 300. As you can see, it's compatible there. This is Acarin Accessories, and I'll post a link to it here. But anyway, we are going to replace this little light, which we have to be very careful with the new Puddle light here of the 300. So we're going to get started here. So I've got 2 screwdrivers here and flathead screwdrivers, and you can see there is a little tab right there that along with there that you can try to fit a screwdriver into, and you just have to be really careful about popping this little light off without breaking it. So you can see I've got my screwdriver in there. I'm just really gonna try to pop it out here without breaking it. We have to be pretty careful. Try working on the other side here. So as you can see, we got the light out here. It is actually tough to do it with one hand, so I really needed 2 hands to get it done. So we've got the light out here. We're just gonna be a little careful with it. All right, after basically crawling underneath the car and getting it undone, you can see there's the end. I had to use this screwdriver here to basically pop the tab off that locked that into place. If you can see it, yes. So now we're gonna look at the back here. We're on the right side of the vehicle. So now we just wanna make sure we have the right side, which is this one. All right, so now we're just going to, we have to fit this into there. All right, so we've got it clicked in there the best that we can. And this is what it looks like. Not bad, huh? So this wasn't a great installation video, but I hope it helped you enough to realize how to put these in if you have any questions. I'll link this in the description. And it even comes with a little screwdriver here, but just make sure you have some screwdrivers and you're able to undo the clip that holds this light in. So hopefully this was helpful. Reach out with any questions. All right, so to add to this video, I could not get this one clamped in right. I could not get the white clamp into the actual unit, the light unit. So what I had to do is unscrew these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, fit my hand through that crack in order to make that work and click in.